So let's come to the performance bit. Now, performance is an interesting thing, Sheetal, because it is a hindsight piece,
Yeah.
right? You can never be sure, is this team going to deliver what they are talking about? A.
Yeah.
And B, it has many different metrics or aspects to it, right? There is fundamentals, there is quality, there is risk. I
Yes.
often say, it's your job to look at the returns, it's our job to look at the risk,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So there's a risk component to it which needs to be managed, and then through all of that, industry cycles, market capitalizations, through all of that, get to a returns phase.
Yes.
So if you look at all these three, how did it work?
So started off with savings. It was largely risk-free, so that's how we started. FDs, recurring account and all of that. In those days, probably it gave more than 6%, but yeah, it was still less, it was largely risk-free, right? Then started off with mutual funds, slightly lower percentages as mentioned earlier, because it was just the top 5 funds. Didn't move much.
Say on an average 10%.
Yeah. So that is where we were. And then when I moved to your team, it was a mix of things. Like, you all did a lot of niche things. Even the PMSs that you all invested in, right? Some of those PMSs I had not even heard of, right? So I think you all have always, your research was very good, that you all always looked at niche things, which, as mentioned, we've actually done 2x, right? So of what I was getting earlier.
All right.
So it was a mix of, PMSs, slightly more aggressive funds. We moved around things a lot. When we knew if the market wasn't performing or wasn't going to perform, we sort of liquidated, moved to debt funds. So I have seen you all sort of work hard, at least on my folio, and I'm sure you're doing that for every client of yours.
It's the same for everyone.
But I've just seen you and the team not stopping. You all have done things which has worked well, which have been niche. It's research backed. So I think that's been the journey. Savings to just the folio not changing, to the folio being moved around, and things being like looked at.
Right.
And we've done some risky things. We've just parked money in the debt.
Yeah.
So that is exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for someone who cared for my money.
Right.
In that sense,
Right. Like it would be, like they would do their own
Exactly.
folio perhaps.
Exactly.